Madame Christensen's 5th period French class, and you're watching
Right On News!
Hello, Rough Riders. Thank you to Ms. Christensen's 5th period class for starting Right On News. This week's episode features New Year's resolutions, our girls bowling team, and the Thespian Society upcoming performances. My name's Lucy, and let's get started. Up first, we have staff and students talking about their New Year's resolutions. What's your big goal for 2025? Let's hear their ideas.
Hi, I'm London. Today we're doing interviews on New Year's resolutions.
I'm here with Sarah. I'm here with Sarah. I'm still eating.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Convince my parents not to sell me.
Oh, I'm here with
Hannah Harrell.
What's your New Year's resolution?
I would say stop procrastinating and get my homework done. What's your New Year's resolution?
To eat better so I don't get fat.
What are your New Year's resolutions?
My New Year's resolution is to start eating better and to get my grades up.
What's your New Year's resolution?
Get ripped.
Okay, miss.
What are your New Year's resolutions?
To make more friends.
What are your New Year's resolutions?
My resolutions is to kind of like just stay on top of my work.
Jasik.
What are your New Year's resolutions?
To be true to myself and to my friends.
Thank you to staff and students for sharing their resolutions. Getting better every day is the right way. Now we're on to the Rough Rider bowling team. Check out their skills as we learn about their season.
Hi, I'm Hadley, and today I'm here with
Mrs. Gunderson.
How did you get into coaching bowling?
Well, the opportunity arose, and I thought it would be just a great time for me to step in and give an opportunity for female athletes of maybe not necessarily a basketball player or a soccer player, but someone to come on out and be competitive in a different way.
What does a typical practice look like?
So our practices are about 90 minutes, and sometimes we just come and practice a specific skill. Other times we will play a fun, creative game. We'll partner up sometimes and play games, but ultimately just trying to get better, become better bowlers.
If somebody wanted to play next year, how would they know about it?
Well, you need to be willing to cheer and be encouraging, and even if you have no previous bowling experience, you can come on out and be a part of the team.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Lizzie Clark.
Is bowling a skill, or do you think it's luck?
Mostly it's skill, but sometimes it can be luck.
What does it take to be a good bowler?
Definitely consistency is key, and yeah, I think just consistency.
Hi, I'm Zoe Van Gordon. I'm the other captain of the bowling team.
How long does a match take?
A match takes about 2 hours to 2.5 hours.
What is your weight of bowling ball?
I throw a 14-pound bowling ball.
Hi, I'm Sarah.
What is your favorite part about bowling?
The teammates. It's a lot of fun.
What is your least favorite part about bowling?
Gutter balls.
Lastly, we have Thespian Society members talking about preparations for their upcoming performances. Take a look at what our Rough Rider Auditorium is offering for entertainment options this weekend and next.
Hi, my name is Sage Bateman. I am the Thespian Society. My job is to make sure everything happens. And things have been happening, and it's going to be really great.
Hi, I'm Madison McIntyre. I'm the stage manager of The Witch's Princess, and the show, we're working really hard. It's really funny. We've got a lot of really good actors in this, and you should all come see it.
In the Port Angeles High School Auditorium, the Thespian Society will be holding a play called The Witch's Princess at 7 p.m. on the 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th, and at 2 p.m. on the 11th, 12th, 18th, and 19th.
Thank you to our Thespian Society for talking about their dramatic production. If you see a QR code around campus, scan it for the question of the week. We'll share previous results with each week's episode. That's it from us at Rider News. Thank you to everyone who helped make this episode possible. Until next time, be well, be kind, study hard, and ride on Rough Riders.